Sure. So Qosina has been in the medical device manufacturing business for close to 40 years. And what we are best known for is providing components to the medical device industry, most of which is used in the manufacturing of other devices and products. Some are going into larger boxes and some are being used in kit development as well. I think we've had good results from the MMA in the past. There's a lot of activity, development activity and manufacturing activity here in Asia. And we have a large number of customers that we are working with. And we continue to grow in this part of the world and hope to continue to work with many new and existing customers. It's been fantastic. Actually, yesterday was a day where it was almost nonstop. I came in the morning and I turned around. It was 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So, from what I hear, it was a fantastic day, fantastic results. I was really very pleased with what happened yesterday.